people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this yummy okra soup on a budget. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'll be introducing the ingredients I'll be using. So this is my fresh fish. I'll be using fresh fish. It's washed already. So next I'll add in my stock fish. It's also washed. Seasoning powder, onion, and I'll add in water. So I'm going to stir this very well to combine everything together nicely, and I'll cover this to cook till it is done. So the next ingredient is my pumpkin, habanero pepper, tashi. Okay, so the combination of that pepper is what I want to use. Next is my crayfish, uziza leaf, dried fish, uziza seed, also known as black pepper, onion, and my okra. Black pepper, crayfish, and pepper, they are all blended. Okay, so we'll set that aside. Moving on, this is my okra. Is washed properly, and I'll go ahead to chop this into a smaller size. So you can use your food processor at this point to do this. Okay, so somebody dropped a comment and was like, hey, when you're doing this, wear gloves, wear gloves. Please, my hands are clean. Okay, my hands are clean. It's washed properly. So I will advise you to do that too whenever you are cooking in your kitchen. And next is my pumpkin leaf. So I'm going to chop this. It's also washed, and I'll chop this. I'll set this aside. And my uziza leaf, washed and also chopped, so I'll set that aside. Moving on, in my pan I'll be adding in palm oil. I'll heat it up a bit, and I'll add in my onion. I'm going to saute this onion for a few minutes. And after a few minutes, I'll add in my pepper mixture. Okay, so this is habanero and tatashi mixed together. So I'm going to stir this so the sour taste in this pepper will go off. Okay, next I'll be adding in my seasoning powder, crayfish powder. So I'll stir everything together nicely to combine. We are building up flavor here. Next I'll add in my uziza seed, also known as black pepper, and I'll go ahead to add in my dried fish. This dried fish is also washed. Remember to wash everything you are going to use in cooking. Emphasis on wash. Okay, so I'm going to cook this for a few minutes, and after a few minutes I came back to check on it, and this is doing amazing. Please don't stay far from your pot so you will not get your pot burnt. Next I'll add in my meat stock, and I'll stir everything around to combine together properly. Thank you, amazing people, for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted. Okay, and if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share this video to your friends and your loved ones. Okay, and check the channel. You definitely see what you like. So next I'll add in my okra, and I added in more meat stock to loosen it up. So this is the consistency I'll be going in for. Next I'll add in the combination of the vegetable I'm using, which is ugu and uziza. See, the combination of this vegetable is so good. So if you've not tried it, please try it, and you will definitely love this recipe. So I'm going to stir this around. Just stir it around, and look at how good this is looking. Next I'll add in my boiled fish. Remember I cooked this fish earlier, so I'll be adding in my cooked fish. Stirring this soup was scary because I don't want my fish to scatter. So while doing this, please be gentle. Stir it gently, okay? So after stirring it for about 1 to 2 minutes, your soup is ready. You can use it with any swallow of choice. I love you to try this recipe and tell me what you think about this video. I'll see you in my next one. So from me is bye bye.